energy metabolism and the citric acid cycle. The citric acid cycle is a key component of metabolism, by which all cells that utilize oxygen as part of their respiration process generate energy. This cycle takes place inside the power plant of the cells, which is called the mitochondria, and provides the energy for the whole organism. The primary function of the mitochondria is to convert energy found in nutrient molecules and, through a long chain of reactions, store it in the form of energy packets known as ATP. Since mitochondria require oxygen to carry out energy conversion, when the cycle is inhibited, the body shifts to a very inefficient way of producing energy through the path of glycolysis, which not only produces far less energy but also produces lactic acid as a byproduct, which is a cause of pain and inflammation in the muscles. For more information, follow the links in the description and subscribe to the channel.